Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Masicka, live! Hey, Masicka! Masicka, on the count of three, I want y'all to say Masicka! 1, 2, 3, Masicka! Hold on this week, we don't think about
A few moments later.
People Alkaline drop a new interview. I'm have to come talk about it. Hear what the dog say.
If you could change one thing about dancehall overnight, what would it be?
Think we change dancehall on a level would we entry, you know?
2,000 years later.
So my people, me there me see a video with one Kevin, I address Spice. Because Spice reach out to him in a comment section. And me I say the queen of the dancehall.
One eternity later.
Alright, Spice, you say you're confused, so I'm gonna give you some clarity upon it. War are going out here, see? CJ Milan said some things about the Gaza where we never like. So
Suck your mother. So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
One eternity later.
alright, so watch your style, see? CJ Milan, one time you take 6 months to sell Bumbleclad Alkaline ticket them. See?
You did who? All of them are call up me name forget the eye. Me not give them no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
I see a video a while ago, I have to come talk about it with the loudmouth brother at this up CJ Milan, the promoter for the Masicka show in a Barclays. And one thing more I say, why it going benefit you or on Gaza people if Masicka show no sold out? How it going benefit you now?
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta Boss represent fully.
Man, you don't know one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know Jamaica parade thing go on people. In New York there, it no normal. Me I tell you, say girl good mash it up in the people. You see me? Girl good mash it up. You see me? I go in a video, respect for the support. You understand? Yeah, man, and big up the haters them same way. You don't know anything said. Yeah, man. You see me? I still support the thing same way. But I just one of them things. I still watch a video them though. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. A one Media Fox. So we're going to a video people and make them know what I go on. Jano. Yo, you see that song, yeah? You see that song, yeah, when you name Girl Good People? Yeah, man, that song, yeah? People, it a mash up the summer already. It a mash up the summer. Summer soon done, you know. You understand? And trust me, this a gonna be the song of the year. Trust me, people. Girl Good a gonna be the song of the year. Me I tell you, it a go on with itself in the summer, your people. Me I tell you that. You understand? So we're going to a video. So look here now, you don't know big promotion are going. You don't know CJ Milan them a promote. Trust me, people are going to forward out for see Masicka. They might forward out. And I have to big up CJ Milan for do this. This is a great promotion. Imagine she promote right in front of them crowd, a big screen, Masicka and everything. Yeah, me rate the promotion. The promotion it bad. It bad, people. Me nah lie. Me rate it. Good promotion. You see it? Yeah, man. Just hope say when the day forward, you know, Masicka can execute and give the fans them. You see me? That type of performance there. You understand? Yeah, because you don't know, as I always say, we're there for the music. We're there for the culture. At the end of the day, a one dancehall, one representation. You understand? As Alkaline say, he wants some more youth bossing at the game. You see me? Yeah, man. So, no matter what, once it represent dancehall, I saw it go. You see me? Yeah, not because a man a do thing to your artist or whatever, means say, yo, Ray, you know, go. You see me? But I want dancehall same way. I want it for sell out. You see me? Yeah, man. You know what things said. You don't know me the first go to work already. You see it? We just want to know, say, yo, him execute. Yeah. Make it go out, be a good representation. You see it? Yeah, man.
Masicka, on the count of three, I want y'all to say Masicka. 1, 2, 3, Masicka!
Yeah, man. So, you see that? This? Yo, that shock your body, freak people. Yeah, man. If you look on that choke, yeah, it's tough. Yo, this is one bad promotion, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, if all this there Jamaica, man. May I tell you this not normal. Every big show we keep, you just a drive around and play a song and have the screen with the display. This shot. I rate this. You see me? It's a smart move. You see me? Trust me, it's a smart move.
If Alkaline drop a new interview, I'm have to come talk about it. Hear what the dog say.
If you could change one thing about dancehall overnight, what would it be?
I think we change dancehall on a level with entry, yeah? From way back from 2014 up to now, yeah? So we changed dancehall already. We changed dancehall.
So you done change dancehall already, so
change it, so.
Yeah, man, it's a new era, man. Remember when Alkaline forward and say, yo, new rules, you know. Remember say, since Alkaline boss, seeing people, is the highest percentage of young artists we ever boss in a dancehall history. We're talking about like in a short space of time, like, and be a young artist start boss. And what I mean by boss mean, it's not the normal way of other artists who establish in the business where I carry them up on stage. Remember, you know, Alkaline, I want a young youth them from. So tell me, the artists them ever boss from 2013 when Alkaline found in game. Tell me which other artists were boss from them time there have a fan base like Alkaline. Tell me which artists were boss 2013 we have a fan base like Alkaline. So it show you say, yo, the youth change it right. That's how it become to have a big fan base now after 13 years. You understand? Yeah, man. So, I don't know normal people. You see it? The youth change the game because back then, you usually have to use an artist or, you know, to carry up on a stage and do your thing or some links with somewhere. You see me? Yeah, usually an artist get next artist. I like how Bounty Killer usually get Cartel, Movado, Busy Signal, all of them artists there. You see me? Skill them cool, all of them artists there. Idonia. Enough of them artists. Ricky Rudy, the whole alliance. You see me? That was dancehall thing where, yeah, Bounty, but Alkaline forward and do a different thing. That's why I have the second biggest fan base in the dancehall right now. You understand? So, for sure you say, the youth change the game. In build a fan base was so huge. You know, before some people were there a long time before him. You understand? Yeah, man. So the youth change a little thing there. Most of the artists them we are boss nowadays. No artists not carry them on no stage or nothing. It's like them do them own a thing right now. Them a build them own a brand, every little thing. You understand? Yeah. So from Alkaline forward. Remember say after Alkaline, you know, then Masicka, you know. Masicka in the game how long. But it's that the dancehall space never really believe in a youth unless you see one big artist that carry them and endorse them. You understand? So when Alkaline forward, the youth shake up the game. After Vice Cartel gone to prison and everything, the youth start take over the place and that's why them not like him. Because him never put him brand or endorse no other artists based on, yo, call no other artist name, say, yo, them do this and ray. Him do him own a thing. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, man. So the dog changed the realm there, so. You see me, that's why I have one of the biggest fan base in the dancehall today. Yeah, man.
For the, you know, so that's actually, when we write that question, yeah, I never really think about the answer there. And the answer there is honestly a deep answer.
Change dancehall, man. Oh, people view the genre and oh, you know, look at things about it. You know what I mean? The atmosphere and every little thing, yeah? Despite people you know, probably want to say it as much, but we know it ourselves, yeah?
Them say, man, them know it, man.
Yeah, when I hear the man say, oh, we've been changing the game, bro. Yeah, talk about what made a change about dancehall. I already changed dancehall, brother. I make change dancehall, and it's proven. I don't want to talk about it, bro. It's done, proven. It's in the pudding, bro. Check what the stats now, man.
I really think as I see him with what his name? Mr. Lex. Mr. Lex, he come say it. Say yo, Bounty always have a problem with the game changer them. You understand? Yeah, man.
It changed dancehall, bro. Hey, that shit crazy. I like. I love that interview, you know why? Because Alkaline kinda I see the interview, if you get look more liquor, yeah man, I want go in and sit down and chat the things. Him kinda more, you know, open to a conversation, let's say that. Him more open to a conversation. I like that. As I say, even though he's been Alkaline, nonchalant answer, barely answer, and I answer in a film way, but I say that still. But bro, the interview you bad still. Based on him other interview them, you get a more perception of him life, you get a more feel for him. You see me, you get a more understanding of how him think and where dog are meds. You see me? Alright, now dog I say, yo bro, we just a chill bro. We already do it. You just do thing, music, dog say smooth. Man just say that's a smooth, bro. Man, it's a smoother. People who think about interview. I just listen to it, bro. I just start smile. Come here and say, yo, a long time when I see a good interview from Alkaline. I know the fans, they love it, you see me? So, what would I say?
Some people.
Why, people? It's really get serious.
Me there I see a video with one Kevin. I address Spice. Because Spice reach out to him in a comment section. I mean, I say the queen of the dancehall. After such a blatant disrespect to CJ Milan, another female, and for the queen of the dancehall, I reach out to one Kevin. Me if you wonder say it's almost like, I mean I say it is. It will almost be like Spice, this I encourage one Kevin. Because Spice, when you reach out to them boy feel like them are somebody out here in a social media.
Yo, that me I say no. Me I say yo. When him say Spice, call him or Spice whatsoever. Yo, me I say yo, them money brother, them money no care about the culture, me G. And see them end up kinda diss up Spice in a way. Me don't know why Spice do that. Cause she an artist. She shouldn't even ever get involved with them mad money. You understand? Them money only bring down culture, you know. You see me? And when me realize, I don't know, but from Vice Cartel forward from prison, I know the energy just change when it comes to that. Yo, them money just I hate pan some artists and I bring down some artists and every little thing, you know. You understand? Like without even, cause to be honest, Masicka, them do it with Alkaline. Now them a do it with Masicka. Remember, you know, when Vice Cartel, you know, I do Barclays Center, you know, people. You know, never did I hear nobody I say, yo, ticket, yo, this now go Ray, this, that. Because you know, say Vice Cartel, I go do it. You understand? I would say, alright, it's a good thing that. Zane? But when Alkaline go say him a going at the Barclays Center, rotted. And this how a problem go. So I kind of realize, say, them money a bad mind. Them get up every day and talk about people bad mind. You understand? Because look here, if you see a youth a do something, what your artist a do, see? If you would really love music and respect the culture, you wouldn't have do what you do. You understand? How it so comes when Vice Cartel in at the Barclays Center, we never get the same energy where Masicka and Alkaline would not get. You understand? But just for show you people, them man in want no other artists. Them do it with Beanie Man. Them do it with Bounty Killer. You understand? That me I try to show you. Even with Movada, when Movada have the show down so Trelawney or son it get postponed or cancer, one of them. At the same thing, bro. Them no want no other dancehall artist in the arena, me G. You see me? It's like as a man say something, say, or king or this or it come like man him nothing say nothing. Man him start bring down the man him start do all of them look at something. Yeah. But you know why? But just glad say people are realize say them people, them money not care about the culture, me G. Them only want to see Vice Cartel or do things to represent. Them no want no other dancehall artists. But them for members, me G. Vice Cartel alone can't carry one genre, bro. One artist can't do it. Una look on some little internet controversy thing, me G. You see me? Yeah, man.
You get to me, I say, him outline 1 million things for him do for you, or him attack RT boss, or him talk about the church people them, or him this, or him that, and all different kind of thing. But at the end of the day, that doesn't take away from the fact that he has disrespected a woman who is doing so much for dancehall, who is trying to get dancehall and in the mainstream of things, when dancehall artists can go into arenas and make big money if them show sold out. He's so stupid that CJ Milan made a general statement and him take you upon him head that CJ Milan at this Gaza. And because a woman's strength...
Yo, the man, yo, I know, them man are kind of very emotional. You say if you're very emotional, you know for the pan media, me G. Because CJ Milan never said nothing about Gaza or this Gaza. She doesn't make a general statement that say, yo, we need to cut out of that bring down thing there. She attack everybody all across every fan base. But them money pick it up because them through them know say them are Masicka no good and through CJ Milan call in pana Crux Masicka vlogger platform at that you know through them call in pan through CJ call in pan that so in a them mind it's like when somebody work with Vice Cartel at that me realize you know when somebody work with Vice Cartel and then them go work with somebody where them no good with then the person them become an enemy. You understand? It's like the woman not for work with nobody else. The woman, cause them a say CJ Milan for be neutral. right? But them a cuss the woman. Zine, but she know fi did this or said this or bro, the woman a be neutral. She work with Cartel, she work with Alkaline, she work with Masicka now. But no. Uno want CJ Milan alone for do business with Uno me G. You understand? That on the problem. That's on the media crash out. But telling already, you know. Uno no rate the culture. That's why they on the crash out and pressure pill and all of them little thing there. You see me? Getting on the feelings. I can't believe say a woman say something generally and take it up. It's like she chew a can and Uno just pick it up. She could not attack Gaza, Crooks, Unruly. She could not attack anybody. But Uno pick it up and start disrespect the woman. And I tell be a lion, this and that, because I don't want people run with food and narrative because them don't hear nothing. Them only hear food in the mouth. You understand? But that's what I try to show you, yo, Uno make things look bad out there, G. Uno. You see me? Uno make things look bad out there. Especially the one we name Gayvin. Because him alone and one next one missing name Pink Purge. You see them? Plum bad, brother, me I tell you. Them, me tell you, them I carry down Gaza in a hole, you know. Had that, me I tell you, just look out.
Have him and the rest of Gaza blogger them, him attack CJ Milan. No. Spice. Now I understand why this boy jump up and attack woman, Pitney, anything at all. Because sometimes a people like Uno Spice encourage him. And people like Uno will go in the comment section and make him feel like him as somebody, encourage him. Right now, CJ Milan and Vice Cartel could have on a phone call. And Vice Cartel discuss the misunderstanding and say, don't put that pan Gaza, because them boy just a chat. In a feel mind, him feel like CJ Milan and Vice Cartel must be at war or something. And I have said this before. One Gayvin is not a part of Vice Cartel team. He's not a spokesperson. I have never seen a contract brought forward with Vice Cartel sign contract with him. He never go on tour with Vice Cartel. A matter of fact, him can't even leave the country. Spice. Everybody knows him in the bash woman out here. And you're not going to be the first, Spice. But sometime, it better if you don't stay silent when you don't see man like them, you disrespect woman out here. It better if you never bother say nothing, Spice.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Spice should have just low that. Yeah, I just them type of man, them feel like them are somebody. Them man in the day for the culture. See there, she had tried tell him say, yo, low that, and she end up I get this. You understand? Come and look at CJ Milan have a show for Spice, you know. Them have a show together and I think a house have something. Me no remember, but she have a show forward up with CJ Milan. So, you don't know. And she been a forward out and I represent CJ Milan because CJ Milan I do good for the culture. You see me? And we're going with her. She not deserve it because she never disrespect nobody. She rate every artist. You see me? Yeah. And she have the contract them for most of the arena them. You see me? So, that is a good thing. You see me? At least people say, yo, dancehall go on. But them money, brother, them money are destruction.
You better just watch it thing play out. Because when them come out here and disrespect some people, and you see, if in video him do, before you comment, and I think that's why you comment, he wasn't far off disrespecting you. He wasn't far off. It's only a matter of time. It is only a matter of time. Big up yourself, Grace Hamilton. Love and blessing every time.
Alright, Spice, you say you're confused, so I'm going to give you some clarity upon it. War are going out here, see? CJ Milan say some things about the Gaza where we never like. So me take it up and me shoot some shot over this. See? Me say what me have to say, and me get back a story that CJ Milan I said she gonna send man to come look for me. So me pick it up for myself and do another video and make she know say who she at when she has talk her story, then be careful. Because me have people in a for the room, VR room when she dey attack. I tell me about things and I saw me get know that somebody I call me and make me know say yo, CJ Milan I said she vex because me I said she go fuck her dildo. So now that you come out now I make a start. You may be attack innocently, but me no know that. And the internet no know that. So the people on the internet are take it now and are pushing narrative that you aside with CJ Milan. We all know this. If you come from Grandspin and Grandspin, why?
Yo, you know say that youth, yeah, him always fall out and say some madness. You understand? And the reason why CJ maybe I tell him to take down the video, you know, is because of the last one, you know. Remember, say, bro, you say something about the woman, you know, bro. You try disrespect the woman brand, you know, you say some lie, you know. You say the woman at this Gaza and all of them. Brother, I know you alone at Gaza, bro. Are you, brother, look how much people say Gaza and are you alone? Me see them on the internet at this up the woman every day. And it show me the mentality, you know, me G. For imagine, That's why I tell you, say, bro, when you move like a real sissy dog, me I tell you no. You dey on the media every day, MG, at this the woman. You there trace woman and them little thing there. You understand? It show your brother emotional damage, me G. Me I tell you. But you know what, people? You see, the more them continue and more people are realize, say, yo, some of them Gaza man, yeah, it's like, bro, them not really good for even they, I'm a G. Them man just a destruction, brother, to the space. Me I tell you, bro. You understand? Cause remember, you know, the woman that do her thing and I make her sacrifices and everything to make everything happen with these shows. And Fissy say, yo, them fishy boy, yeah, out yeah, a DC woman. Bill it to the woman and all of them things, them G. Me I tell you, is it? Yeah, man.
You can't go walk up in. You understand? When the war just a go on. I'm gonna have to know what you do. You understand? You're the queen of dancehall. You're the person where I stand up for all the time. I fight for you, I play your music. Me always put me put my neck on the block for your mama. You see me, I see people come at you and me turn up like this. You know, I judge me. Me hear they said RT boss a woman man. I'm good God spice. RT boss a woman man, and me stand up and fight for you with RT boss and beat RT boss. Me I'll put RT boss saying dead. You get me? I say and the church come for you. The regular people come for you. People are come for you and tell us, say, oh, you're not eligible for talk for kids. I mean, I say, who is the best to do it? You're the queen of dance.
So Spice we did it with you for your disrespect people. And that you try to say. Because you get up out of your way and a defend she. Remember, you know, Spice never tell you to defend her in G. And the reason why you do that is because Spice say Gaza. If Spice never say Gaza, you wouldn't do it. You understand? But that for sure you don't want out here and diss up people and all of them thing they put up people picture and all of them thing they and expect the people for with uno. Although you take up yourself at different certain things. You understand? Because I know Spice never ask if you defend army G. You see me? So what you do, you try use that to make things look away, say you usually defend she and you there do madness. You feel like say Spice, I gonna make you there a diss up the woman where I put money in a fair pocket. Where she do a show for you not else Spice with nothing, me G. You just a destruction. Yeah, man, I saw me see it.
Them don't listen to your music. Why not you? So there's so much. You drop your song. You understand? And Volcano. You know, see me a beat Volcano. Yeah, I never see CJ Milan do what me I do now. They are promoters and we are bloggers. So we're not going to split the difference. We are as much as important as these promoters, as the bloggers. Do not make it seem like we are not nobody and CJ Milan are somebody. And that's why me attack, because it look like if side a pick. And because we see it look like side a pick, me I say, not my Spice, because Spice me never did this before. I mean, I look fit, but I weird. And that's why I say, me never did this. I'm still never did this. Because guess what? You are still the queen of dancehall. Nobody now this you, me never this you, anybody this you, me still I got this step. Regardless of you liking me or not, or like the video when me do, or hate the video when me do. Spice, you are my queen of dancehall. Me loyal to the fucking end. You understand? Like Chucky, big up yourself. Happy birthday. Alright, so watch a Snyder, see? CJ Milan. One time you take 6 months to sell Bumbleclad Alkaline ticket them. See? Me go on live and me I tell the people them say, yo, we got buy ticket for Alkaline too. All my daughter them got Alkaline show. Me I say it all the time. Me give my daughter them money for that Alkaline show. See?
Because your daughter them say vendetta. That's why you have to do it. You understand? Me tell you already, you know, bro, no out here fight and all of them things. Imagine you have to buy your daughter them Alkaline ticket. Because Alkaline are them artists. Imagine, and you there, bring down, imagine people, the man did not bring down Alkaline show, you know, and him same one, have to buy ticket, same data them can go because them is a vendetta fan. Tell you the money nah, no sense, me G. You see me? No sense, bro. You see me?
As a support, so, you think say that's not me supporting dancehall? That is me supporting dancehall. You get me? I say, so now you come out now and you run off your mouth and you down again with the same rampage where style we with already. You try it again. See? Because you use Alkaline to try to go against Cartel and now
people wanting to listen how them man are bad mind and corrupt, you know. Listen. Remember you know man I say CJ Milan use Alkaline to go against Cartel, Jaja youth. But hear the bad mind talk.
You go for Masicka try do the same thing. You don't remember say a 6 month Alkaline take to sell ticket. You don't remember say Alkaline are the second biggest platform in a dancehall. Alkaline couldn't sell ticket. So how Masicka go sell ticket in 3 months? Me think you try to end the man yourself. But now that me go goes and come out after you are talking about Gaza people them, you feel like so we never need to talk. We are going to step up, woman, nobody know this Gaza and get wet. A true cartel make we go say, you know what, we not go so hard and beat Alkaline at the first. You get me? I say, now we say, no, you do your look show them and rare, but now you cross. One part when you come out and you come talk about Gaza people, them and the corruption them in a Gaza and this make this and that. Yo, Bill, and in a blood clot afraid that we don't have no money, we have the money too. We look like somebody we're hungry out here. You ever see me look like a boy we're hungry? Eh? Some boy I roll Vex, I walk with roll X. You understand? Them roll Vex and I roll X, I walking from a blood clot hand. Fully diamond out. I don't know me. You don't know me from nowhere. You get me? I say, so you know who not talk to one in a blood clot talk. Not because you see man come here come make them look at 1 or 2 video. You don't feel like say, oh, I don't know, but you don't realize me have people in the room them where you there.
Yo, I tell you now, you know. You see, gangster no depend on media, me G. A hip yap. That's why I tell you, say, brother, on a dopey bat, me G. You know, see, sound in no sense. You know, depend on the road. See? And a video on yourself. And we are dealing with dancehall and music. I don't know bring up badness, me G. Look where you're on the road, you're there, me G. Sometimes you know no sense, brother. People are see where you're there, can pick up your location. Bro, you see, you know, yo, me I tell you to rot it. Me tell you, say, you know, destruction to your environment, you know. Remember me tell you, you know, and more, people it even will get worse. We're not going to see what going on. Remember me tell you that.
My people are there in the corner room. You see me I say? Now, Mama Spice, pick up yourself. You don't know, let me tell you, you're an artist. But you see, what you say, the people them take it and they must say, yo, I this Spice, I this Gayvin. And the internet I run with that narrative. You get me I say? I will never diss you. Me never.
Yo, that brother a lie now, one big lie, you know. Yeah, man.
This year, me will never diss you. And like me say, all me need to do allow this. Because if you now pick up when time, people discarded and the Gaza, which you are a blogger. So if you now pick up when people are this, the man, you don't need to pick up when nobody are this CJ Milan. CJ Milan is a promoter, and CJ Milan is not staying mutual. You see me I say? And if I use your put for headline, Barclays Center, me no want hear nothing. If she have a defend her, she better make sure you have bumbuckle the headline, Barclays Center. A headline, we want to spice for headline, Barclays Center. So me no want nobody a different CJ Milan. Who CJ Milan now use the headline, Barclays Center? You understand? Me respect my artists them. Me know the queen of dancehall. Queen of dancehall and me artist. And that will never change. Whether she like me or she not like me, you're the queen. Big up your bumbuckle self.
I see a video a while ago, I have to come talk about it with the Lord Mount brother and this up CJ Miller, the promoter for the Masicka show in Barclays. And one thing more I say, why that going benefit you or on Gaza people if Masicka show not sold out? How it going benefit you now?
Bro, I know it's sold out type problem, brother. I just chose CJ and Masicka work together, bro. Same thing with Alkaline, me G. You understand? Them man no want no other artists do greatness in a dancehall, bro. You have to see it. We see the cartel have to put out report already. You understand? For the Grammy thing with Kez Namdi. Them man no want nobody else win nothing, me G. A Vice Cartel alone for win. Yeah, man. That's why them behave like this.
Every day, I say, yo, the Gaza people, I see them a Gaza and the Gaza vloggers, I tell you, them a corruption, you know. Every day, and that I just can't rate none of them, you know. Because them don't love music. See, I tell me, say, you love a man so much till you disrespect a woman because you're in favor of other man there. And then you want to see Masicka fail. Let me tell you something. The youth unstoppable. You say Masicka unstoppable. I'm telling you every day, you know. Not because me and Masicka are the best of friend. Me, I got talk the truth. Masicka unstoppable. Because media, and Nigel media, me play Azul. Beach Resort last night. I'm still there, Nigel. Me left Nigel yet. And me not play no Vibes Cartel. And the people enjoy themselves. Me not play no Vibes Cartel song. And the people enjoy themselves. Me not play no Alkaline song. And the people enjoy it. I'm matter of fact, I just few dancehall artists me play. And the people enjoy themselves. So that for sure you say music is for everybody and a one man. And this it born me see a big man a disrespect a woman. Because
I kinda agree with some of the things what you say. But you just say to a man say you don't love music. But you know you not play Vice Cartel, you not play Alkaline. But you say you tell a man say them not love music. It sound like you don't love music, me G. You understand? Because that sound like a more like a little feelings thing there, so. You see me, but maybe you're cap still. You see me? Because if you really love music, you don't play everybody's song. You see it? Yeah, man, but I one of them thing there.
As him love a man. Big up the Gaza people, you know. Big up the real Gaza people. Because last night, I buy a jerk, Mr. Pan buy a piece of jerk chicken, you know, for the Gaza jerk man in it. To a man a Gaza, a man jerk spot name Addy. The man jerk spot name Addy in a nigga there. Big up yourself, now, because I say I go big up in a boat. The loud mouth brother, yo, you're disgusting. Yo, man, you say man disgusting. You see a man that disrespect a woman because a woman I keep a show. If you're a dancehall artist and you want it, feel so much. This is, you're not gonna this on a body, man. Every day I prove to us on a body, man.
Yeah, man. Every day and day people are gonna realize to what people big up on themselves. I want me the fact pan up. Mad thing.